Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Transformation T. I'm T. You know. So I posted this picture on Instagram and I got a little bit of attention. I want to show you guys how I went from this to this in 1 month. In my before, my lifestyle was very stagnant. I was working out but very inconsistently. So maybe 3 times a week. I was dehydrated all the time, not drinking nearly as much water as I need to be. I was drinking a lot of juice, sodas. I might as well have been drinking sugar cubes. I was pretty lazy. Like, I hate saying that, but I was lazy, okay? I admit it, I was lazy, mom, okay? Leave me alone about it. Of course, I was eating whatever I wanted, whenever I wanted, however I wanted it. If I wanted a bowl of ice cream at 1 a.m., I was getting it. So clearly, I had a lot of bad habits that I needed to change. I went from working out very inconsistently to working out super consistently. 6 days a week, very consistently, pushing Monday through Saturday. Out of those 6 days, 3 of those days had high intensity interval training, aka HIIT, in them. Followed by those HIIT workouts, I was also doing weightlifting. I was lifting weights every single day, but I wanted to ensure that I was getting my heart rate in the target heart rate zone so that I was burning fat every single day. So the goal was that every single day my heart rate was going up so that I was burning fat. If you would like me to go in depth with my workout split, saying what I do every single day or what I work every single day, be sure to leave a comment below so that I know I can make that video for you, okay? This is a mutual thing, okay? My dehydration problem, I went from drinking juice, soda, minimal water to drinking only water, and I upped my water intake heavily, okay? Because I was sweating more, I needed to put more fluids back in my body. You want those results or not? Like, that's what I was saying to myself. You want these results or not? Like, you gotta step it up. And then as far as nutrition is why I saw such drastic results. I will say it again, nutrition is the reason I started to lose inches around my waistline. It is the reason that my stomach started to flatten out. It was the reason I started to lose this little bit of back fat back here, is because of my nutrition. Okay, it was also the hardest part of all this for me. So during this time, I was doing Blogilates 28-day reset meal plan, and that meal plan is basically saying that you are staying away from dairy, so no dairy, no additional sugars, no gluten, no alcohol, and no processed foods. Now remember, I love like ice cream and cereal, and I love cheese, I love bread, I love chips, pizza, everything on this list I pretty much love. So it was a little bit challenging for me, especially because my family was not doing this, so they were still ordering pizzas, they were still making cookies. Let's just say the temptation was real, and the willpower was real, the self-discipline was real. It was real. I was way more cautious about what I was putting into my body, and I was eating more for energy and for fuel versus eating just to eat. I was eating way more vegetables, way more fruit, way more lean meats, and these weren't like nasty, like, oh, halfway filling meals. Like, these were filling meals that were made from good foods. I will also do a video on what I was eating, so be sure you subscribe, okay? As far as my day-to-day life, I also changed what I was doing. So instead of going to work and then coming home and doing nothing, I would go to work and little things like taking my dog for a walk every day, going hiking once a week, going biking, walking around my neighborhood, going for a jog. But like, seriously, gotta get more active. Even little things like parking farther away from the door, like when you go to the store, that's something that I was doing all the time. What those movements are doing is making you burn more calories throughout the day so that you will be closer to being in a calorie deficit, aka you will be closer to losing weight. And that's basically what I did. Doing this consistently every single day, giving it all I had for 28, 30 days. My hard work, it showed. Point blank period. That's kind of what it is. You get out what you put in, right? Keep in mind though that exercise affects everyone differently. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Be sure to check out my other videos. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe if you want. Till next time, bye.